Can this 1940s house sell this year?
I would imagine that this is probably one of the most terrifying things that you can see in a flip house.
Yeah, I mean, the word is terrifying to a lot of people.
But not to Zach. He's in this for $160,000. He's prepared to spend more money to make money if he needs to, and he says he's not scared of big bad words like asbestos.
And you know, they'll close off this room and that room and then tear it down, and they'll have the masks and everything and put it in the bags and dispose of it properly, and then, you know, we'll move on.
And move on to the challenges he does see and feel in this 70-year-old house.
And standing here, I feel a slight lean to the left.
Then there's the narrow bathroom, the only one in the home, and an outdated kitchen.
You're gonna have to spend some money in here.
Yes, this would be where a big chunk of it goes.
About how much in here, do you think?
I'm probably around like the 6 to 7 range.
It wasn't easy taking up the kitchen floor, but when they finally did, there was a second surprise. Major water damage forced Zach's team under the house. The old air conditioning unit needs to go, the windows too. But there is some good news. That floor may look beaten up and ready to rip out, but Zach's guys will turn that oak into a selling point buyers can't miss. But behind schedule and over budget,
It's really important that you work fast as a flipper because the market can change quickly, and you do work fast, but you didn't work as fast as you would have liked.
No, I don't think we ever do. I think we had 4 to 6 weeks or something in our minds, and I think we're right about 10. So
Okay.
about double what we expected.
so will those surprises and delays cost Zach in the end? Or will all that work pay off?